Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to recover deleted Viber messages on Android mobile. Firstly, before you can restore messages, you need to have enabled Viber backup on your device. When you do it, to restore your messages, you'll need the same phone number registered with Viber. The backup must exist on your cloud like Google Drive, and a stable Wi-Fi connection is recommended as the restore process can use significant data. Now install or reinstall Viber on your new device or after resetting your phone. Open Viber to activate your account using your phone number, and when prompted, tap Restore Raccoon Viber content or go manually to restore. Tap More, Settings, Account, then Viber Backup. Just tap Restore, then Restore Now to begin the restore process. You need to wait patiently. Your messages, photos, and videos will restore from the backup. Photos and videos may continue downloading in the background, letting you use Viber while the restore completes. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.